Okay.
Hi, ma'am. Sa mga bagong ambassador, yung question ko actually. Can you share yung story behind how you become yung brand ambassador?
Hello.
Paano nangyari? Share nyo naman sa amin yung tuwa, ligaya, during na nalaman nyo na kayo ay magiging brand ambassador at masasama na kayo sa family ng Dear Self.
Hello. Sinong gustong mauna? Nagturoan ba oh? Oh, go. Go, Matsi.
Paano naging brand ambassador? It's because of
Story nyo.
yes po. Because of my co-showtime dancers, si Ate Grace, Amina, and si Nelly. Na-inspire talaga ako sa kanila kasi nakikita ko yung growth, yung changes, then yun, na-inspire ako sa kanila. Gusto ko rin maging katulad nila. And as I age, na babawasan po yung self-confidence ko. Nakikita ko po sa kanila na nagiging maganda yung self-confidence nila. And yun po, gusto ko lang din maging katulad nila.
So medyo inspiration mo, no?
Yeah.
Sila, yung tatlong girls natin. Oh, that's so nice. Marty?
Yeah, kung bakit ako nandito, na-inspire ako ni Rick, syempre. Kita niya naman glowing naman yung kapatid ko ngayon, di ba? At my age, I actually will not lie. No, I'm already, tatayo ako, hindi ako makita. Hello po. Tinatanaw akong pilit na nagkakadahaba yung leeg. Sensya na kayo, walang high chair eh. Yeah. I'm already 56. Yeah. Sabi ko nga. I'm already 56 and the only goal I have in life for myself is to take care of myself. And bukod sa wala akong vices, hindi ako minom, hindi ako nagyoyosi, stress-free, kumakanta lang ako, I enjoy life. And I just found out that si Rick, dinala ko dito sa isang napakagandang experience na mangyayari sa buhay ko, which is with Dear Self. So, sabi nung aking partner, nakikita niya yung changes. Recently lang ako nag-start. So, nakikita na niya yung mga changes sa akin. And it glows on me. No? Ito pala yung power ng Dear Self. So, I'm really looking forward to be working longer with the company and with the clinic, of course. And nai-inspire din ako since nakikita ko sa sarili ko, nag-glow ako, nagra-radiate sa akin. Nakikita ngayon ng mga followers ko. And I invite them to also take care of themselves. Kasi, you know, life is short. We have to take care of what God has given us. Huwag natin abusuhin, di ba? And I'm very happy na andito ang Dear Self na siyang sumalo, kumbaga, sa aging point ko. Thank you very much. Ma'am Crystal, I forgot to thank you kanina po. Ayan. So, ayan. So, maraming salamat and looking forward to more years to come with Dear Self.
Okay. Rhea Jen, do you want to answer the question? Meron ka bang inspiration or anything?
Hello ka ako, may question and answer ba?
Yes, of course.
Ano ba may question? Ay, hindi. Ayun po, bago pa ang lahat, gusto ko lang po, yun po ang binanggit ko kanina, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Sir Rick, yan, yung una nag-message po sa akin, kung gusto ko po daw maging part ng Dear Self, at syempre po, walang kaabog-abog, ay tinanggap ko po agad kasi nabanggit din po niya na si Ate Neri po ay dun siya nag-lose ng weight. Kaya, syempre sa akin, as a plus size din, gusto ko rin ma-boost yung confidence ko, tapos, kahit pa paano, gusto ko rin mabawasan yung weight ko, at para hindi na rin ako mahiyang humarap sa maraming tao, especially po, pag nag-guest po ako sa TV, ayun po, syempre po, bilang isang plus size po, meron po tayong minsan na-discriminate po tayo dahil po sa size natin. At kaya po nung sabi po ni Sir Rick, itong pagkakataon na to, sobrang masaya ko po. Kaya hindi ko po sasayangin itong pagkakataon na to. Ayan. Thank you so much po, Dear Self. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Krista. Thank you po.
Na-answer po ba yung question? Media tips? Okay, nawala siya bigla. Okay, next question please. Si Sir daw muna. Ito na lang, sir.
Hello, to dear self po. Kasi napaka-diverse nung lineup ng ambassadors ng Dear Self. So, ano po ba yung mga hinahanap ninyo para maging ambassador ng Dear Self? Ano ba yung qualification, requirements?
Hello, so I will answer that.
Sir, name po and saan po, ano pong ano?
Rain po, rain check lang.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sir
sir.
Rain, for that question. Napakaganda ng tanong, no? Why do we choose these people? They are so diverse. They come from different age, alam mo yun, iba-iba sila ng industry. Isa lang naman yung masasabi ko dito. We chose them because we feel na kaya pa namin na ilabas at bigyan sila ng value. And katulad niya na sinabi ko kanina sa speech ko, it's a partnership, parang a lifetime partnership with us. While they're doing their thing, we just ask na makita ng mga tao yung kayang ibigay ni Dear Self sa kanila. And that's value, self-worth, yan, and love, of course. Do you want to add anything else?
Tsaka kung may kung may napansin kayo na nawala doon sa lineup last year, hindi si Dear Self, oy, alis ka na. Walang ganon. Parang they chose to be out of the lineup. Parang ganon. So, yeah. So, parang clear, no? Kasi bakit nawala yung isa or dalawa?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, question po. Ma'am Vic.
For the new ambassadors, like Jasmine, Josh, Marty, Freya, and Maddie. As a new endorser of the Dear Self Aesthetic Wellness Center, what's the one thing you can relate with the brand itself?
Kung pwede daw tumayo, ikaw. Josh. Go, Josh.
And hello po, thank you so much po for that wonderful question. One thing I can relate with Dear Self po is syempre yung mismong inaano nila na Dear Self mismo, yung I am loved. Yan. I am loved kasi pag nasa Dear Self ako, love na love ako ng mga nag-take care ng skin ko, ng every staff, everyone, si Miss Krista, si Sir Rick, everyone. So, I can relate is that loved ako. Mahal ako pag nasa Dear Self ako. So, yun na po yung answer ko sa question niyo po. I am loved.
Yun. Thank you so much, Josh. Okay, next.
Hello po.
Jasmine.
Thank you for the question po. So for me, I can relate Dear Self to confidence and self-esteem po. Because I started modeling when I was 17 years old or 16, and now I just turned 19, and I can say that Dear Self has been a big part of raising my self-esteem, because when I started in the modeling industry, I can see that other girls are very beautiful po, and they always have visit clinics po, lagi silang nagpapa-treatment, ganon, and I realized na hindi pala pwede na pinapabayaan mo yung sarili mo. So, it's such a good timing that I met Dear Self last year because they helped me a lot with my growth and development. And now I can say that I'm confident enough to mingle with other people, and I can say that I am good enough and I'm worthy enough to be their companion or to be at the same level as them. Thank you so much po, Dear Self, and Ma'am Crystal po. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine. Meron pa bang gustong sumagot? Maxi or Coach Marty? Go, Coach.
Tatayo ako ulit. Kaya wala kahit chair, wala rin apple box. How I relate with Dear Self. Kasi po, me being an artist, being an entertainer, I should always look good. No? Despite my age, I have to look good and I have to look presentable at all times kasi humaharap ako sa tao. I'm a people person as well. So it's really very timely for me to be a part of Dear Self kasi kumbaga parang joint forces kami ngayon, my talent and the capability of Dear Self to enhance myself also. Kaya nga Dear Self eh. di ba? Dear self, you have to take care of yourself. And that's why I'm here and I'm very thankful. So thank you for, I know humaharap ako sa tao all the time, sa live man or sa social media. So I really have to look good and they have to see the improvement from me coming from dear self. So thank you very much po.
Okay, sasagot daw si Rhea Jen. Kasi nasa-challenge daw talaga siya. Ayaw niya nang china-challenge daw siya eh. Go Rhea Jen.
Siguro po makaka-relate po ako sa dear self. Kasi po, dear self, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo mahalin yung sarili mo. At ayun po, kundi dahil sa dear self, siguro, mamahalin mo yung sarili mo dahil sa dear self. Kasi maaalagaan ka nila, maano po nila yung confidence mo. Kaya, ayun po, dear self, love yourself. You know?
Thank you so much. Kasi pag pumasok ka nga naman sa dear self, tatanungin ka dun sa need mo, pero hindi lang nagtatapos yun dun. I-evaluate ka ng mga tao na nasa loob ng dear self. So that's why talagang pampered ka, makukuha mo yung kailangan mo, base dun sa kung ano yung need mo. Yun. Thank you so much. Next question please. Yes ma'am?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Denise from Piscean at Vlog. And my question is for the owner of Dear Self, and it is, what sets Dear Self apart from other wellness and aesthetic clinics? Thank you.
Go on now.
For that wonderful question. Parang pang actually, when we started the brand, I am thinking about myself. How am I able to improve myself better when it comes to wellness? Beauty naman kasi is very relative. So, we can be beautiful in our own ways. And then, I realized that more than, if I love my family in the first place. So, kung mahal ko yung pamilya ko, I should learn how to love myself first. So, I was thinking of, paano ko pa-improve yung sarili ko para mas lalo kong mahalin yung pamilya ko. Of course, hindi naman talaga ako nagtayo agad ng business to help other people. I would be hypocrite to say that. Kailangan ko na tulungan yung sarili ko, matulungan yung family ko. So, when we thought about the name itself, Dear Self, what I have in mind is, how am I going to improve myself so I can improve the lives of other people around me? So yun na nga. And it all started with the mission na kung matutulungan ko yung sarili ko, matutulungan ko rin yung iba. So what makes Dear Self different from the others? Just 2 months ago, 2 months ago, we are thinking about our unique selling proposition. Sabi ko kay Kenneth, I want to go deeper because all of the other aesthetic clinic around us are already banking on beauty. Which is, totoo naman, yun naman talaga yung gusto natin eh. We all want to become beautiful, we all want to be beautiful. And it's never easy. Lalo na kapag you are not according to the standards of the people around you. Hindi 24 ang bewang mo. Hindi ka kasing kinis ni Mario Guerra. So, it was so difficult to define yourself as beautiful. Until, sabi ko kay Kenneth, we have to understand ourselves better. Kasi beauty is very relative. And it is attainable only if you know yourself better. So, we are now banking on well-being. Gusto namin magkaroon ng leap of faith from moving aesthetic beauty lang, going to the real sense of beauty, and that is wellness. So we are looking forward, especially with the help of the marketing team, together with my team, yung aming mga operations managers and managers at the same time, together with our brand ambassadors and ambassadors, to really work on our mental and psychological well-being. Napakahirap kasing sabihin maganda ka kung hindi mo na-realize yun about yourself. Kaya we are actually planning na talagang mag-lead sa totoong essence ng beauty. More than the eyes can see. So I think Dear Self aesthetic wellness, beauty and wellness, is now more on wellness. So we become beautiful. So we are tapping people who would be experts when it comes to wellness. We could be tapping coaches, life coaches. Kaya nga, they're diverse. They are from different streams of businesses and at the same time, walks of life. Kasi gusto kong makita at makita ng lahat na yung kagandahan, nagsisimula yan sa beauty within. So I think Dear Self Esteem and Wellness is now on its way to the real meaning of wellness, more than just well.
Thank you so much. May follow-up question po ba? Or may gusto bang sumagot sa ating mga influencers or brand ambassadors? Okay na? Okay.